So you're starting your own business, or you have started in the last maybe 1 or 2 years or even 3. A lot of people, when they start something, they don't really have the budget to invest in working with a professional designer. You still want to have a professional business even from the start of it. So you are stuck in this loop of not knowing what to do, where to start. You don't feel confident with your branding. That's where I come in. This is part 1 of a series for all the beginners on business. At the end of the series, you will be able to create your own professional looking branding. Of course, as a disclaimer, it will not be the same high quality that you would get by hiring a professional designer. You will not end up with a unique logo, but until you are ready to elevate your business and you are ready to invest, you can still have a professional looking brand. So if you're starting out just now, but you still don't have the budget, then this series will be perfect for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about your brand's personality and the tone of voice. It is really important to figure these things out before you start any design, picking out your colors and your fonts and everything else, because the personality of your business and the tone of voice of your business will determine which choices are best for your business, so that you have a professional looking business, you have consistency, and you don't struggle for years to figure out if you have chosen the right things. So what is brand personality? Think of your brand as a person. How do they respond? How do they behave? How do they dress? How do they talk? All these things are going to determine your brand's personality, and it's what helps your audience feel a connection with your brand, your products, your services, and it can cause all sorts of feelings like trust, comfort, excitement, curiosity. And when a brand feels human, people connect in a much deeper level with them. And why does it matter? People don't just buy products, they buy into feelings, experiences, common beliefs. They buy into stories. And your brand's personality helps to build trust, find the right customers for you, and to, of course, make you unforgettable in their minds. It keeps everything consistent, from how your website looks to your Instagram captions to the intros of your videos, and even your packaging, how it looks and feels when someone receives it. So how do you define your brand's personality? Here is a simple exercise to define it. Step 1 is to think of your brand as a person. Ask yourself, if your brand walked into a room, how would people describe it? Is it bubbly and fun? Is it calm? Is it really professional? Is it wise? Step 2 is to choose 3 to 5 words that would describe your brand. For example, friendly, helpful, and trustworthy, bold, quirky, and empowering, or maybe elegant, calm, and sophisticated. Step number 3 is to think of your brand's audience. What are they looking to get from your brand? What do they need? Do they want to feel inspired, safe, entertained, calm with your brand? Then, after you have determined all of this and defined your brand's personality, it's time to go to the tone of voice, which is how your brand speaks. So, in this exercise, ask yourself, do I want my brand to sound casual or professional? Is it more playful or is it serious? Use emojis and maybe slang and urban words or proper punctuation. For example, a brand that is fun and cheeky, they might say, ready to glow up? Let's go. But a more professional and calm brand could say, let us help you to achieve healthy and glowing skin. They both talk about the same thing, they both offer the same thing, but the way that they speak is based on their tone of voice and the brand's personality. So choose based on your own brand's personality. At the end of all of this, once you have done these exercises and you have defined your brand's personality and the tone of voice, write it down so that you have as clear of a definition for your brand as possible. And if you already have a team around you for your business, make sure to share this with them. You can give examples, you can give visuals, you can give audio files, just to make it as clear as possible for them so that they understand how the brand speaks and acts. And of course, after everything, now it's time for you to use it everywhere so that you have consistency. That's what a brand is. The brand has consistency on everything. So when you write something, when you post something, when you speak to someone, remember your brand's personality, remember the traits, remember the tone of voice. This will take you so far with your business, even if you haven't invested in working with a professional designer. Your brand's personality is what turns your customers into your loyal fans, the people that will be always there. They will support your journey. They will always suggest your business and your products or services to other people with confidence. And instead of just driving sales, you build relationships. That's how we should approach our business. So please don't skip it, define it, write it down, and then apply it on everything. I hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, because I will be sharing a few more videos in this series about how you can create a professional brand from scratch for free without investing in any professional